Em here from Em's Quilts and Em's Scrap Bag, and today we're going to show how to make this cute peppermint kiss. It's part of my Christmas in the City quilt. It's in the candy shop just down here. If you like my videos, remember to like and subscribe. All right, let's get started. We're going to take 2.5-inch strips of our two colored fabrics for the peppermint kiss and place them right sides together and cut them with an essential triangle or similar ruler until we have 4 half square triangles. Then you'll take your half square triangles to the sewing machine and you'll just stitch along here. Then I like to trim off the dog ears. And we'll just trim those off. Then we're going to arrange our half square triangles into a pinwheel. So sew that together on a 1.5-inch background square. Draw a line from corner to corner and place that on one of the corners of your pinwheel. We're going to do this on each corner. Then you're going to flip that back to make sure your corner is covered. Then you can trim your seam allowance. And that will give you your peppermint kiss. Just rinse and repeat. Remember, if you'd like to get the whole Christmas in the City quilt, join Em's Sew Along. Go to emsquilts.com/sew-along to get the details and to sign up. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.